In this video, we will learn how to use into math in Excel sheet. So let's start. Open your Excel sheet and go to the Draw tab. In Draw tab, look for the into math. In Convert group, have a into math option. Just click on it. When you click on it, the math input control dialog box is open. You can see the preview here and you can write here math. So I just write here 2 plus 5. Okay, if you want to erase it, just click on the erase and you can erase easily. Okay, again if you write it, just click on the write and you can write here anything. I enter x, then I enter here the y, but it's considered here x. And if you want to change, just select and correct. Just click on it, select it, and you can see here the some option showing you, and select those you want. So I select here the y. So here y is showing. If you want to clear, just one click, just click on the clear option. This all is clear. Okay, so I show you again the symbol. Okay, so that's it. So this is a way you can math input control you used. Okay, I just click on the clear. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.